Good evening, Moringa Monger here with the next Moringa recipe in the series, Moringa Chili. And we have all the ingredients out here laid out, ready to go. I'm gonna, first thing we're gonna get going is a medium-sized onion, nicely chopped and set in butter to saute. And then once that's sauteed a little bit, we're gonna brown our ground beef. About a pound of ground beef we'll set in there, and while that's sauteing, we'll mix all the other ingredients together. Get that nicely browned. The meat, we'll be back to show you that. But in the meantime, here's the rest of the ingredients, and I'll have everything in the link in the description below. So we're going to start out, no particular order here. We have a couple of, roughly about a half a cup of chopped celery. It's going to go in there. I'm going to mix everything in our bowl. We got about a quarter cup brown sugar. We have our, we're going to use kidney beans, light red kidney beans. You can use any beans that you would like to go in it. Black beans work. Any preferred bean that you would like. But we're using light red kidney beans for the chili beans. Get that. Then we have some nice diced tomatoes with green chilies. I like to add a can of that in there. And we have our other, we're going to use some organic ketchup. Excuse me there. A bunch of squeeze of nice ketchup here. Probably about a half a cup of ketchup is fine. And we're going to have a little bit of mustard. A little bit of mustard, not too much. And then we have our dry ingredients, which is moringa powder we're using today. You can use dried leaf also. And we'll put that's about a tablespoon of dried moringa powder. Sorry for the bad lighting here. And we have our chili. We're going to use chili powder. You can use the chili packets that come in the store if you like. But since we don't have any of that, we're substituting with just the chili powder and salt and pepper. So about roughly about a quarter cup of the powder is fine. And then we have our salt and pepper is already in there with it. And let's see what else we have here. Just about a tablespoon. About a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It's going to go in there, and then this is the real treat right here, some Worcestershire sauce. Open this bad boy here. We're going to put roughly about, I like the taste of the Worcestershire, so it really kicks it up. I'd put about 3 tablespoons in there. And then we want about a half a cup of water. And a squeeze of lemon juice. Preferably not with the seed. Take that out. And that out. And then that's all your ingredients right there, ready for the next step. Once the ground beef is browned along with the onion here, we'll add that to the mix, and we'll be right back to show you the finished product. Alright, we're back. We now have our ground beef and onions cooked nicely. You see it's nicely browned, and we're going to go ahead and add all the rest of the ingredients we added together earlier. Like I said, everything, the fine details will be in the link in the description below. And we're going to set this in the pan together. Mix it up real nice. Let that come to a boil, and then put it on low to simmer for about 30 minutes to an hour. The longer you cook it, the better it's going to taste. The better the juices are going to gel together. Everything's going to be nice. But at bare minimum, leave it about half an hour to cook on low and simmer after that. After that, you should be ready to enjoy. That's the Moringa Chili recipe. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming recipe series. Anything and everything moringa, and I also have some recipes that aren't moringa recipes that are going to be added. Thank you again for watching.